Yeah, thank you, Renopedia, for inviting me to win this award. Actually, I see it coming. It's all within my calculations. This one, every year, I win until very sian already. It's very normal. You see my handsome face? How can I not win this award? 对不对？对不对？
Oh my god! Please, sorry, give me a moment, Sorry, got tissue or not? Thank you. Oh my god, so touched. I cannot.
Hi everyone, I didn't know I won the award. I'm so grateful to be here. Thank you for inviting me here. Wait, this award's for what? Oh, Reno. Thank you, Renopedia, for inviting me here. Although I opened the email late, right? But I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much. Wait, sorry, wrong side. Actually, this award I passed to who?
I want to thank everyone for giving me the support. Especially, I want to thank my family, my friends, my pets, for giving me all the support. Without you all, without me. I would like to thank God for giving me the hope and also guiding me at the lowest period of my life. Thank you. I would like to thank the random strangers on the street for giving me advice. Without you all, without me. Also, I want to thank Renopedia. Thank you, Renopedia. Without you, I cannot renovate my home at limited budget. And with you, I have the chance to win up to $50,000. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia supports you anytime and anywhere if you ever need renovation. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.